Hello guys, welcome to Technology Bulb here. Let's see in this video tutorial if the sound is coming while recording your monitor or desktop. Humming sound is coming, how do you go for cancellation of it and how do you fix it? Because right now see how much the sound is coming as we know. So if you would like to reduce or you would like to absolutely stop the humming noise or echo sound, any kind of the noise that is coming around, especially while recording, how do you control, how do you reduce it? We will see here. So first and foremost guys, we will open a screen recorder. We will go in a setting 2, of course we will go in a general. In general 2, of course we will go for source 1 or 2. Source 1 is for a speaker. You would like to record by virtue of especially a speaker as a mic, then of course you will have to go for this one. Source 2 for microphone. Here I have selected this microphone, especially I have connected in a USB PNP sound 1 device. So I have selected, we will click on here. So window, especially sound option will be open here. Just I would like to show you right now. See guys how the sound is coming. See, if I go for my desktop sound, now see how the sound it's coming and noising is too much. Now we would like to control it. So how? We will click on here. So now here we will go in the listen and here in default sector we will click listen to the device and we will apply it. So now see this has been fixed. If you would like to have a especially digital, that can be also possible. If any speaker that you would like to have as a mic, then of course this can be. So right now I have defaulted listen to the device and I will apply here. So before going to apply, if you would like to accelerate the sound of it, then it's absolute 100%. We will have a especially 95%. That will be much more better. Yes. Now we would like to fix the mic in which way the sound is coming. Yes. Now it's a quite good ones. Now see guys, hello check. Now it's a coming good one. We would like to, if you answer that, of course we can fix it. Hello check that. Hello hello. Now it's okay. So now it has been fixed. We will click on OK and we will go for to have this configuration. Still it is not working, then you will have go in a property to advanced. There is a and there is no options. Use this device, enable. Here is the option given, don't use microphones, micro properties. Here of course in a property of the USB we will go in the driver 2, of course it will be highlighted, and of course you will have to update this ones because right now it has been already updated, and of course it's in a use, so that we cannot do for it. So this is, but most probably we can fix it from here. So this is all about in this tutorial guys. Now thank you very much indeed. Thank you guys. Now that we can close it, and of course we can